Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
I don't really like to brag.
I told you to hold on. Oh, baby. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Great. Now I'm wet.
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.
I am Confucian.
I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, baby. Have a treat, baby. Here's a treat, baby. You earned it. You earned the treat.
Everyone, meet Chewbacca, or Chewie. He is my sink cat. To get him out of the sink, typically, I just turn on the bathtub and he goes for a run. But he's getting smarter because he knows I want to wash my hands, but then he'll lose his seat. Why? So now I'm going to have to be like his nice dad and wash my hands in the bathtub.
No. Bueno, sí.